बहुत बुरे लग रहे, तौबा तौबा तौबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया।
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Riya. So in today's video we are diving deep into the world of tretinoin. Recently tretinoin is talk of the town, everybody using it and talking about it. What is tretinoin and what are all the hype about? Let's find out. By the end of this video you will be a tretinoin expert. So let's get started.
Okay.
So tretinoin is also known as tretinoic acid, is a derivative of vitamin A. It's an acid from a vitamin A and different from its cousins like retinol and retinol palmitate. Tretinoin discovered in 1960s and it was used as a treatment for acne. However, users began noticing another delightful effect, which is reducing signs of aging. So how does it work? Well, tretinoin works at cellular level. It speeds up cell turnover and prompting your skin to shed old, dead cells and make way for new ones. Also, it unclogs pores, smoothens the skin surface and stimulates collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and youthful. Tretinoin not only prevents its breakdown but also it boosts its production, thereby it reducing wrinkles and reducing signs of aging. A crucial aspect of tretinoin is its ability to make your skin more sun sensitive. While it's working wonders underneath your skin, you must protect your skin with a good sunscreen from UV rays. Now you might be wondering, how is tretinoin different from other retinoids like retinol? Well, tretinoin is a prescription strength retinoid which is more potent and effective but also more likely cause of irritation if not used correctly.
Okay.
While tretinoin boasts numerous benefits, but it's not a one-size-fits-for-all solution. Always consult your dermatologist and they will advise you how much concentration you should use, how often to apply and potential side effects. Understanding tretinoin is the first step to harnessing its power. Whether you are combating acne or chasing that youthful glow or both, knowledge is your best tool. So I hope this deep dive tretinoin video was helpful to you. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel for more detailed skincare explanations. Drop any question or topic in the comments below if you want me to cover in a next video. Stay radiant. Bye.